Welcome to our channel. If you want to start a free Netflix trial offer, follow these step-by-step instructions, noting that Netflix has discontinued free trials in most regions. Step 1. Check if Netflix is currently offering free trials in your region by visiting the official Netflix website. As of now, Netflix has ended free trials in the United States and most other countries. Step 2. If trials are unavailable in your area, look for promotional offers through mobile carriers, internet service providers, or bundled deals that include Netflix. Step 3. Some cellular plans and cable providers offer Netflix as a perk, which may include a trial period as part of the package. Step 4. If a trial is available, visit netflix.com and click Sign Up or start your free trial if displayed. Step 5. Choose a subscription plan. Even during a trial, you need to select Standard, Premium, or Basic. Step 6. Create your account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Step 7. Set up your payment method by entering credit card information or selecting PayPal. You will not be charged during the trial. Step 8. Review the trial terms, including duration and when billing will begin. Step 9. Complete the sign-up process and start watching immediately. Step 10. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you do not wish to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.